Hi, I'm Effie. Welcome to my channel. I am so excited to learn with you today. Are you ready? Let's go. I love. That's right. I love and I love to love. I love my family, I love my friends, I love to create, and I love to learn. I am passionate about all these things. Some of them make me feel elated, excited, and so inspired. Some make me feel all warm and fuzzy and cuddly inside. When I'm with the people I love, my heart feels so full. When I am doing the things that I love, I feel a range of emotions, from energized and exhilarated to peaceful and serene, and everything in between and more. With all of this on my mind today, I am going to do something a little different. I am going to say I love you in 5 different languages. Oh my goodness. I have to tell you, I'm a little bit nervous. This is something new for me, and I don't know all of these languages, but I love to learn new things, and I think it's important to try new things. So here it goes, how to say I love you in 5 different languages. And if you want, you can try to say them with me. I will say it 3 times, and then we'll say it together the 4th time. All right, let's go. Spanish. Te quiero. Te quiero. Te quiero. Let's say it together. Te quiero. Dutch. Ik hou van je. Ik hou van je. Ik hou van je. All together. Ik hou van je. Italian. Ti amo. Ti amo. Ti amo. All together. Ti amo. Portuguese. Eu te amo. Eu te amo. Eu te amo. All together. Eu te amo. Korean. 사랑해. 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 All together. 사랑해. Oh my goodness, we did it! How did I do? I don't know. But I had a lot of fun, and I hope you had a lot of fun too. And this was really new for me. But I love that I tried it, and I love that you tried it right along with me. It's so much fun to learn together, wouldn't you agree? Now, what I want to know is this. What do you love? Who do you love? Maybe give someone you love a big hug today and tell them I love you in any of these languages. Or spend some time doing something you love. For me, that's being creative, writing, reading, and learning. Especially learning with you. And guess what? You can keep learning. If you want even more Effie videos with audio MP3s and printable activities, try out Effie All Access. Effie All Access is my online learning hub with all the videos you see here on YouTube, plus exclusive downloadable videos, audio MP3s, and printable color sheets and activities, including my video, How to Say I Love You in 10 different languages. It's all Effie all the time. Just go to effiemonroe.com/moreeffie and use coupon code MOREEFFIE. That's coupon code MOREEFFIE. Stay tuned to learn more. Thank you for watching. You are so awesome and smart and capable of doing anything you put your mind to. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy learning. Hi, I'm Effie. Welcome to Effie All Access. Effie All Access is my digital home where I aim to educate, empower, and entertain through videos, audio, and printable activities. With Effie All Access, your child can expand their vocabulary with One Wonderful Word videos, learn about volcanoes, lava, national parks, and more with our educational series, learn about values through the positive words of iconic figures with Effie quotes, enjoy a fun, classic story told from my point of view, in story time, and more. And along with the weekly updated videos, enjoy downloadable audio MP3s and printable color sheets and activities. Join now and get immediate access to over 10 entertaining and empowering educational videos, along with audio downloads and activity sheet printables. Plus, as my gift to you, get the Big Hair ebook and the Big Hair color and activity book for free. People are saying such nice things about Effie's teaching. Oh, that's me. And now you can experience what they're talking about for one entire month for free. Just go to effiemonroe.com/more Effie and try Effie All Access out for 1 month free using the coupon code more Effie. And that's coupon code MOREEFFIE at checkout. I'll see you on the inside. Until then, happy learning.